Children go through a myriad of experiences at school that often goes unmentioned at the dinner table. While some may have a positive impact, others may have a negative impact on their mental health. I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. As May marks Mental Health Awareness Month, it's essential to recognize that bullying is one of the most significant factors affecting young people's mental well-being on a daily basis.
Bullying can happen to anyone regardless of age or race. It can take a toll on your mental health and physical capabilities due to the stress that has been inflicted on your daily life.
It can affect just things of sleep, of appetite, of mood and irritability, connection with family. So those are things that we can see. And long term, it can also impact an increased risk for other conditions like depression and anxiety. And depending on the level of bullying, individuals can also develop symptoms of trauma.
Annalise Linder is a freshman in high school who says she experienced bullying at a younger age. She tells me how it affected her daily life and why she had to get out of that atmosphere.
It made me really sad and depressed. It also made me really anxious. The old school that I was going to, like, they gave up on me and made me feel like unsupported and alone.
There's so many stressful things in the world, whether it be kind of stressful things, whether it be academics, and maybe they may need some support related to grades or talking to teachers, or whether it be challenges with classmates and peers at the school setting.
Healthcare professionals tell me it's important for parents to put aside time in their day where they can talk to their students about their days. Some students may be ashamed and feel like they have no one to turn to.
She was trying to quietly cope with things or whatever, but you could tell just by the way that she was acting, things were really off. And she just, kind of withdrew. She got really quiet. She would stick to herself, didn't want to talk to nobody.
It's recommended that parents ask their kids these questions to get them comfortable with wanting to speak about their day. Tell me what you did on the playground today. What made you smile today? What made your day today? What was difficult about today?
Swapping schools and seeing her confidence come back. She went from completely failing every class, getting an F because she wasn't able to concentrate. She wasn't wanting to go. She wasn't wanting to be there. She went from getting all Fs to now she's even graduating early.
When we don't feel comfortable, it's important that we speak up about it immediately so that it can be addressed by the people that we love, like our parents or caregivers, and people can step in to help.
Experts suggest that parents utilize the website on your screen for guidance on addressing bullying and parental support. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.